Are you tired of these useless meme coins taking over the crypto space? One after another, they're piling up just to be either scams or useless Pepe replicas that have no other intention but just to take your hard-earned cash. Well, today I am glad to present to you a new meme coin that is opposite of everything. A rebel. A rebel in the meme space that will be taking it over as a whole. Sounds interesting? Well then, let's dive straight into Rebel Satoshi. Here we are on their website, Rebel Satoshi, and we can already see that we can join their uprising and follow them on their socials, and we can already see they're concluding a huge resale. Here you can see that they have sold over 50 million tokens, so they have rose a lot of capital already and have over 19 days left until this phase finishes. So we can see that the next stage price will be increased to 0.02 USDT, and the current price now is 0.018 USDT. We'll be participating in this pre-sale in this video, so stay tuned until the end. We'll be also giving you an exclusive promo code to get those juicy bonuses, guys. So anyways, in my opinion, what I think about pre-sale is that they will definitely rise to the next stage price, because a lot of them do, and we can see that this is only the second round, and with 19 days left they have sold over half of the supply. So this definitely is very bullish in my own eyes, and you can see that participating in the early stages of these pre-sales can definitely grant you a lot of access on these projects. Anyway, we'll be getting back to this later. Let's go ahead and explore the website. Here you can see that they are featured on some huge PR article websites. Now, what is Rebel, or who is Rebel Satoshi? I'm Rebel Satoshi, and yes, I am a cunning fox with a band of disruptors known as Recusants, building a community-driven meme token that seeks to embrace challenged norms, fostering unity and defiance. We've taken down hedge funds and centralized control mechanisms, and we are now on a community-driven quest for decentralization. With a mission to $100 million market cap, Rebels is not just a token, it's a movement aiming to revolutionize the landscape and usher in a new age of decentralization. Here you can see the total supply, the network, no tax or sell tax, so just as a meme coin should do. We can see the next listing price, as well as the symbol, as well as decimals, as well as token name, so everything here. We can see that it is audited by SourceHat, and we can also take a quick look at their contract address, verify the contract, or view the audit. We can now meet the ecosystem, so unlock fame and exclusive rewards. Early supporters are inducted into the Rebellion Secret Council, RCS, granting them access to clandestine meetings, insider project updates, and a say in the plotting and the course of the revolt. So that's very cool. Holders will get exclusive benefits, which will attract even more people to pre-sale. We can see that they will also be implementing Rebel Artifacts Vault, so they will be bringing 9,999 unique NFTs into the game, and revolutionary staking cup, the key to 100 million market cap, is supply and demand. Staking is rewarding and supportive way for community members to bolster the Rebel Satoshi ecosystem while also acquiring additional value. So they will have NFTs, staking, and holder rewards. Tell me what sounds more bullish than this. In my opinion, nothing, guys. Here we meet the roadmap. So only 2 phases. So a couple of phases here. Phase 1, launch the website, audit and verify smart contracts, launch exclusive private sales. Phase 2, launch official public sale pre-sale 5th November, major marketing and influencer partnership campaign, build engaged communities, launch community rewards program, sell out public pre-sale. Phase 3, barring event, next listings. Phase 4, develop B2B game, raise to $100 million market cap, which is obviously their ultimate goal. Now we meet the tokenomics. So 50% for the pre-sale, 20% liquidity pools, 15% staking rewards, 10% marketing, 5% treasury. Pretty simple economics, but that is exactly what I personally like. I don't need anything more complicated than this. Here we meet the Recusants. We can read all about them here. I'll have it linked down in the description if you want to go on here personally and give these a look. Now we have the newsletter, so if you want to sign up for the exclusive rewards or updates, you can just enter our email here and submit it. Down the OG holders will get first access. You can also see that the OG holders will get first access to the next 2 NFT collections, and you can also see the collection, and we can also see the categories of the NFTs. So citizens, warriors, rebels, monarchs, recusants, and the population of the given categories. So we can see that there are 4 categories only now, and they will be adding more. Here we meet the team, the R&D docs. We can go ahead and check their LinkedIns, which I really like personally. And then we meet some frequently asked questions, such as what is Rebel Satoshi, how to buy, what are the benefits, how do I claim Rebel token, which is probably all self-explanatory for you guys. If it is not, leave me a comment, say stop Christopher, let me know the answers to these questions. But I'll say to you, go ahead to the website and give them a read. We do not have time to be covering all of this information in one video. So guys, again, have it linked down in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Now we can join the uprising as well as by now, and we meet the end of the website. Unfortunately, we have some socials here which we can check out, but go ahead guys and give them a follow if you like the project so far. Now let's go ahead and go over to the pre-sale. So here we are in the pre-sale, and as we mentioned at the start, we'll be participating in and we'll be showing you the steps of how to purchase it, so you could just understand how simple the process really is. So first thing that we need to do is, of course, enter our Gmail. Now once we got that covered, we need to connect our wallet. As you can see, they have a variety of different wallets such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Rainbow, etc. Make sure to choose which one you're using. Now once we got our wallet connected, here you can see the button to buy Rebels. Then we just select our payment method. As you can see, they have a variety of them, so just find what suits you best, I guess. We'll be going with USDT, and then just simply enter the amount you want to purchase. So for example, we'll buy $100 worth of tokens, and here you can see that we'll be getting 5,555 tokens. But do not miss this step. If you want to gain more tokens and gain more value to investment, click add promo code. I have something bit for you guys. Then go ahead and enter INF9 right here and press apply code. As you can see, we just entered our promo code and gained 1,000 tokens more, guys. That's incredible. Now once we're satisfied with the amount we want to purchase, we just click buy Rebels. So we bought some tokens. As you can see, they received the payment and we'll get our tokens in 30-minute time frame. So that's very cool. Now with the pre-sale website, the idea being covered, there's nothing really much more to add, except go ahead and perhaps read their white paper, check out their socials, or go over the website one more time. Anyways, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this project. Let me know if you think it can succeed. Let me know if you'll be investing in it. And most importantly, if you will, make sure to use the promo code. It gives you a 20% bonus. So this is definitely not something you want to be missing out on. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. Stay safe and good luck investing in DeFi. I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.